Hi everyone! Do you have leftover veggies in your fridge? Don't throw them away. Today, we will turn them into crisp and delicious Korean vegetable pancakes. They are simple, quick, and anyone can make them. Let's get started. Today, I'm using potato, carrot, bell pepper, cabbage, zucchini, and eggs. But don't worry, you can use any vegetables you like. Cut the potato and carrot into thin strips. Slice the cabbage and onion thinly. Chop the bell pepper into small pieces for color and flavor. Now put all the veggies in a large bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. The salt will pull out water from the vegetables. Removing water from the veggies makes the pancakes crispier. Let them sit for about 10 minutes. While the veggies rest, let's make the dipping sauce. Chop 1 green onion, a little onion, and some bell pepper. Put them in a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a tablespoon of allulose or honey or sugar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of gochugaru Korean red pepper flakes. Mix well. Your dipping sauce is ready. This sauce also tastes great with dumplings or other fritters. Now squeeze the water out of the veggies with your hands. This step is important so the pancakes are not soggy. Add the chopped bell pepper. Add 6 tablespoons of Korean pancake flour, 부침가루. Crack in 3 eggs. Mix everything well until the veggies are coated. If you don't have a Korean pancake flour, mix all-purpose flour and cornstarch 1:1 ratio and add a little salt and pepper. Heat a pan on medium heat. Add a generous amount of cooking oil. Place 1 spoonful of batter in the pan and spread it out gently. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Medium heat is best. If the heat is too high, the outside burns before the inside cooks. Flip once halfway through. Wow, it smells so good already. Put the cooked pancakes on a plate. Here are our vegetable pancakes. Look at those colors, so pretty. Now let's taste one. The veggies are slightly sweet and the eggs make it rich and savory. With the dipping sauce, it's tangy, sweet, and full of flavor. Perfect as a side dish or as a snack by itself. The vegetable pancakes are easy taste and great way to use leftover veggies. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you soon!